Today, as promised, we are making dish detergent, dish soap, dishwasher soap, dishwasher detergent, dish detergent, dishwasher soap. What do you call it? Dish detergent. I think it's dish detergent. Hey, it's Sarah. Welcome back. And as promised, today we're making dish detergent from scratch, I guess. It's 4 ingredients and it's a dry powder mixture, and it seems really easy and it was really inexpensive, which I love because every little thing that you have to buy for cleaning supplies that are reoccurring can add up. So the first thing is kosher salt. This was right at Walmart. It's a 3-pound container. The next thing, and I had never heard of this before, it's called Lemmy Shine, and it's a dish detergent booster. It smells really yummy. It's like a citrusy lemon scent. It says, no more spots and film, even in hard water. Powerful formula, safe product. So it sounds good. You can also use citric acid. I just couldn't find that in a bulk size at Walmart in store, so I ordered some online, and so I'll use that next time, but this is what I'm going to use this time. The Arm & Hammer Super Wash Soda. I had never heard of this before either. It was right next to the baking soda in the cleaning dish detergent laundry area, so this one's a 3-pound as well. Soda, Super Wash Soda. And then the last thing is Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda that I've heard of. So it's 1 cup of this, 2 cups of everything else, and I'll show you how I pour it all together. The recipe I saw, it said to leave it out on the counter for 24 hours and just stir it every so often so it doesn't get clumpy, so that when you put it in your container, it's easy to scoop out. Once I'm going to put it in this container here. Hi, Jeffrey! I'm going to put it in this container here. I hope it holds it all. I don't know I think this is 2 quart. It has 2 on the bottom, but I'm hoping it all fits in here. So it's been a day and I've stirred this a few times. It's been long enough, I hope, and I'm gonna pour it into my container so we'll be all done. I'm gonna use a smaller container to pour it in just so I don't miss. Let's make sure it fits. And they say just 1 tablespoon per wash, and you don't need any extra. More isn't always better for this kind of thing, apparently. So I'm going to try it out and let you know how it works. Alright, this is all done, so we're going to open it up and see how it did. Smells clean. Everything looks good. I'm happy. There's no wet, watermarks on here. Yay! I definitely suggest this recipe. Give it a shot. It might be good and save you some money. good. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you liked this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and it was super easy, and I'm just really glad it worked well in the dishwasher. That was the best part. So if you're looking to save money on cleaning supplies, this is a good route. I'm going to be making laundry detergent at some point, so I hope to have more videos like this because I like making my own stuff. I think it's fun and it's rewarding. Well, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.